Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the hardware and permissions ready. Charge the watch above 50%, keep your phone within a few feet, and enable Bluetooth. Open the companion app for your watch brand and sign in so settings sync. Once done, grant the app location, notification, and background refresh permissions. These let the watch receive messages and updates. Now tap the app's pair or add device option and follow the on-screen pairing code prompts to start the secure connection. After pairing, confirm the numeric code on both devices to ensure you're connecting to the correct hardware. Next, customize what syncs. Pick notifications, contacts, calendar, and health data to mirror so you get only what matters. Install any available firmware updates first. These improve stability. Then use the companion app or the watch's app store to add apps and watch faces. Make sure do not disturb schedules and privacy options. Reflect how and finish by testing core functions. Place a call, send a message, and check that steps and heart rate sync to the phone. If something fails, restart the watch and the phone first. This clears temporary Bluetooth hiccups. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth and app permissions, then reset network settings on the phone. As a last resort, unpair the watch from the app and repair it. This rebuilds the connection and resolves lingering pairing or profile issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.